Welcome. In this video, I want to show you just a step-by-step lesson on how to calculate age in Excel using just the date of birth that's provided in this video. What we want to do is use a formula called DateDiff. So first, you want to ensure that all the data in column B is in a date format. So I highlight, right-click, go to Format Cells, and ensure this is in a date function. Okay. Then for column C, I want to ensure that all of this data is in a number cell, number format with no decimal. I click OK. Then the formula I use is DateDiff, and there are three parts, three components to it. First part is I highlight the cell B3, that's the one I want to look at, comma, then I hit today, open and close parentheses, comma, and I want this function in a year format. So I put it in Y, open and close quotation marks, then close parentheses, enter. I always add an extra F under DateDiff. And then once I autofill it, you would see that it calculates for the rest of it.